Make sure you agree. Go ahead. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Say it with me. 555,555. Goodness gracious. All right, I'm going to ask you a question about this. The first part of my question, you're going to point to something, and then the second part of my question, you're going to circle the answer with your expo marker. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to figure out who's going to start with the expo marker. You've got 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You better make a decision. 8, 9, 10. Raise your hand if you're the one that starts. Awesome. Good job. Hands down, then the person will get it next after their turn. Okay? Hands down. Hands down. Thank you. Here's your question. Point to the 5 in the 10's place. Everybody in your group. Point to the 5 in the 10's place. I want you to circle the 5 that's 10 times bigger than that one. And then I want you to cover it up with your hands. 10 times bigger than the 5 in the 10's place. Cover it up with your hands. Cover it up. Don't let me see it. Cover it up. Make sure both of you agree, and make sure you guys can both explain it, because you never know who I'm going to call on. Cover it up. I'm going to say something called reveal. When I say reveal, you're going to go like this, so I can see your papers. 1, 2, reveal. Oh no, your paper should stay right. But you know what? I love how this group did it. They didn't hold their paper up. They just lifted their hands like this. Awesome. Okay, let me see. Okay. No mistakes. Nice. I don't see any circled here. So let's help this group. Point to the 10's. Where's the 10's place? Ah, nice. What number is 10 times bigger than that? 500. Ooh, I like it. She's thinking a little different. She's saying, here's our 10's and the 5, and she says this is 10 times bigger. She's doing 100 times. Let's think. She is doing 100 times. If I go from one spot to one spot, how much bigger is that? 10. If I go from one spot to another spot, how much bigger is that? 100. Not 20, 100 times, because it's 10 times another 10. And 10 times 10 is 100. Okay? So let's point. Let's help her point to the 10's. The number that's 10 times bigger, watch my finger, is the one right next to it. 10 times bigger. When we go to the left, we get 10 times bigger. Okay? Thank you for letting me share. Did that group make a mistake? No. Well, they did, but you know what? Are mistakes okay? Yes. Do you know that they're about to be smarter than all of you? Because when you make a mistake and you learn from it, your brain gets bigger than the people that don't make a mistake. Good job. Here we go. And thank you for cheering on your friends and being supportive. Here we go. Next question. Got to get a little trickier with you guys. Erase that circle. Pass the marker to the next person. Which 5? This time you're going to circle it. Which 5? I want you to listen. Lean in. Everybody lean your body in. Listen. Which 5 on that board is 10 times less than the 5 in the 10,000s place? So if I'm in the 10,000s place, which number is 10 times less? Circle it and cover it. Yep, 10 times less than the 10,000s place. You've got to listen, because on a test it might have a lot of words. You've got to figure out what those words are saying. Once you have it, cover it. Make sure each person understands. When I say the magic words, we will lift up. Still waiting on one group. 10 times less than the number in the 10,000s place. Aha. Oh, ooh. Told ya. You'll never get stinky feet. That's okay, we're learning. You'll never get a stinky feet crossed off. But if you go, hey man, let me explain to you. Yeah, if you say, hey man, let me explain why I thought it was this, not told you. So next time I want to hear you say, hey man, that's all right, we're learning. Just say, hey, let me explain to you why I thought it was that. Okay? All right. Reveal. Oh my goodness, Miss Noble.
I know.
She's high speed. She's in the crowd lady.
She's pretty awesome, isn't she?
She does.
All right, smarty pants, erase it. You can get a little tougher this time.